Enter Hub Parking World. Smart software and mobile solutions for the parking industry. Reliable equipment, cutting-edge integrated services, grounded on our strong values. Innovation, accountability, teamwork, quality, service, and passion. The passion for new frontiers. Back in 2013, Hub Parking technology evolved from FAAC Group. A worldwide expansion follows up as we are driven by collaboration, respect, communication, and accountability. Today, we broaden our horizons. Again, explore Jupiter. Discover our new rational and adaptable product range, an elegant new cabinet design, future-proof components, tested reliability, boosted serviceability. Hub Jupiter. The future has just begun.